This is William Gammon and Spike Snell. We're demonstrating our assignment 2, which is called ChatApp. So we'll open up the application here, and then you're brought up to a login screen. You can try and put in any username you want, any password. If you try and log in, it'll try and load it, and then show you an appropriate dialog at the bottom. There it said no username exists. So we'll register a new username. Right here we're prompted for a username and password. We'll say my name is Diego. So my password is hi. We'll submit that. It says I'm successfully registered. So now I can log in as Diego. Password hi. Show the login, loading bar, and then we're taken to the screen. You see at the top of the screen it says it's determining our location and it's loading. And right here is the Google Map activity. This is showing a circle of radius of 1 kilometer, and it's showing everybody who's in our vicinity. At the top it says there are 2 users in the vicinity and I have no new messages. We can zoom in a little bit. You can see yourself. You are displayed as a little white person, and then other people who are on are displayed as little blue people. So we can click on one of these little blue people, and you see this right here. This is Will. We have no chat with him, and so nothing displays. Look at this other person, and it's someone named Michael. So if we want to, you can click on Will, and we'll send him a message. We'll say, hello Will. Hit send. Send will go. And then down here at the bottom, it's kind of difficult to see, it has your name, the message, and then the time it was sent. And you can send all you want. And we can zoom out. You can change it from street view to satellite view, which really does nothing. It's just a matter of preference. And then if you want to be more specific about who you're looking for online, you can slide this over, and then you'll notice the radius count will go down as you slide. So if we wanted to, we could set it to 500. And then it'll only show those in half. If you wanted to get even closer, let's say we only want radius of 200. Let's try 50 or 60. There you go. Now it excludes Will, who's over here, and you can't see him anymore. And at the top it says you only have 1 user in your vicinity, no new messages. So we'll set that back to 1,000. And that's really all there is for the single user. Now, if we want, we can bring in another phone here. It's a little cracked, whatever. And then we'll load up the application over here. And we'll log on as Will, as I showed earlier. Passwords are very secure. 1, 2, 3. And we'll log in. Login is very fast. So at the top it's determining the location over here. And here are the people who are logged on. You see I have 2 users in my vicinity and I have 1 new message. Now if you have a new message, it's displayed as one of these little people with a little chat dialog with an exclamation mark. So we can click on that, and then you'll see, it's kind of hard to tell, but it says Diego, and then it says hello Will, and then the other stuff that I had typed. So if I want to, I can chat back. I can say send something over here. And close out of that. And then the polling doesn't happen, or the polling happens every 2 minutes. If you want to speed it up, you can just change the radius. And then if I change the radius, you'll see that it updates. Still 2 users in my vicinity, but now there are no new messages, and the icon has disappeared now. And over here, if repolled, and then you'll see that it has another new notification. So Diego over here has a new message from Willie. Click on that. And right there is the message I just typed. And that's really about the entirety of this application.